Okay, hi everybody from the NAMM show here in California, where Allen Heat are showing the new GLD system. Let's have a look at the mixing desk. The Surface takes some of the best features from the iLive range of mixers, which have been very, very successful. We have a nice interface strip along the top here where we can get to the preamp and the EQ and the compressor. Some of these controls you can push and turn. So you have tactile controls for the processing. Some of the other processing is available on a touch screen. So it is a touch screen. You can use it with a knob or here or just here. So if you want to go to the compressor or delay, everything's here on the screen. You can customize the Surface how you like. With iLive, we can decide whether we want inputs here or outputs as you want. We can do this in a new way. On the setup page, we have a control strip. So if we want to select some inputs on this side, we can bring up this screen here. And now we can drag and drop things on the Surface. You can see here on the camera, the Surface, we can allocate. If we want to bring down some mixes over here or effects returns, we can now bring those down here. And it's as simple as this, drag and drop, you change the layout. So we have 4 layers, 20 faders. So that makes 80 control strips, which can be anything. We have DCA groups, 16 DCA groups, like iLive, which can be used for levels or for butte groups. Motorized faders, of course, very, very responsive system. And the system is very powerful. It has 48 input channels with full processing with gates, compressors, EQ. We also have 30 buses inside. The buses can be combinations of groups, auxiliaries, mono, stereo, matrix, you choose, and 20 mix outputs. So each of the mix outputs gets a graphic equalizer, so we can show that on here. We find a mix output, select it, look at the processing. We can see graphic EQ, PEQ, compressor, insert and delay on every mix. And the graphic EQ is up here, or we can also show here on the desk, just like in iLive. The graphic EQ can be shown on the faders too. So 20 mixes, graphic EQ on every mix. We also have effects engines from the iLive family, nice beautiful reverbs, ADT chorus delays. So you get 48 inputs plus 8 stereo effects returns with EQ. So that's a lot of channels.